Hi, Surekha.
Hi, Darshana.
Surekha, we are meeting after a long time, isn't it?
हो, खूपच दिवस झाला. आणि I think our audience and viewers are waiting to hear from us too.
Right, true, Surekha. So, namaskar and hello to everyone. We know that we are showing up after a long time, but we are going to be regular now. So, Surekha, आपण गेले 2 महिने आपण पॉश आणि पॉक्सो ह्या विषयांवर खूप सारी माहिती दिली आणि मला वाटतं बाय नाउ our audience is well aware what is posh and what is POXO all about. आता मी ह्या महिन्यामध्ये आम्ही पॉश आणि पॉक्सोच्या केसेस ज्या होतात त्याच्यासाठी इम्पॉर्टंट there's a very important or a lot of time we use a word called abuse. They have been sexually abused. So आम्ही त्याविषयी बोलणार आहोत की अब्यूज काय असतं, कशी ही मेंटॅलिटी येते, काय करायला पाहिजे. So we're going to talk all the aspects which are related to this word abuse. So Surekha, you tell me what do you mean by abuse? तुझ्या लेखी abuse ची व्याख्या काय आहे?
Darshana, it is such a sensitive topic. I'm getting goosebumps even talking about it. Abuse म्हणजे मानसिक किंवा शारीरिक छळ आणि ते होतं primarily because of upbringing and because of behavior. Upbringing in terms of the environment that you have been brought up in, and behavior in terms of you thinking that as a victim, when you are not accepted, it's okay to continue being that way, or it's okay to behave that way, and the victim then behaves the same way to another person. So then the cycle continues. And upbringing in terms of your environment around you, either the family you have or the friends you have, they do not have a positive impact on you from your childhood, and over a period of time it has a drastic effect on your life. What do you think, Darshana?
Yes, Surekha, very true. Society is a very important factor. We always talk about the surrounding society, value system, everything. But who's that society? I think we are the one who makes the society. We are the one who makes that surrounding. You might have seen that cases are happening across. There is nothing like lower strata. It happens only in higher families. It's nothing like that. Only thing is, doesn't get highlighted from certain class of societies, wherein it gets highlighted from people who are at lower strata. पण हे सगळे फॅक्टर्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. बट मला वाटतं काय जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे इज ऍज अन सोसायटी आवर रोल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आपण त्या गोष्टीला कसं घेतो आणि आपण त्या माणसाला कसं ट्रीट करतो. बऱ्याच वेळा असं बघण्यात आलेलं आहे की त्या माणसाला कॉर्नर केलं जातं. जो कोणी विक्टीम असतो त्याला कॉर्नर करतो आणि मग असं होतं की इधर तो माणूस विड्रॉ होतो or else he become rebellious. He develops the thought process. तुला आठवत असेल निर्भया केस मधला जो मायनर होता त्याने काय सांगितलं होतं की मला असं का करावं असं वाटलं, बिकॉज माझ्या घरी मी माझ्या वडिलांना माझ्या आईला असं करताना बघितलं होतं. He used to forcefully sexually abuse her, and that's the reason that thing was there in me. I wanted to do it, replicate it, and that's the reason I did it. ती लहान मुलांच्या वयावर मनावर कशा प्रकारे परिणाम होतो हे आपण सांगू शकत नाही. पण ऍज अ सोसायटी वी नीड टू बी व्हेरी कम्पॅशनेट. सो आय विल नॉट से वी शुड ऑलवेज सपोर्ट दॅट पर्सन. नो, म्हणजे अशा मेंटॅलिटीला आपण कधी सपोर्ट नाही केलं पाहिजे. आय एम नॉट सेइंग दॅट वे. व्हॉट आय एम ट्राइंग टू से इज की ऍज अन सोसायटी आपण जेव्हा केव्हा असं गोष्टी करतो आपण त्यांना एक कॉर्नर करता कामा नये. वी नीड टू मेक अ व्हेरी कंड्युसिव्ह एटमॉस्फिअर wherein everyone will feel good. They can come, they can talk about whatever happened and in a very natural way. नाहीतर आपण त्यांना कमेंट्स करतो, आपण त्यांच्याविषयी स्टोरीज बनवतो, गॉसिप्स करतो, त्या लोकांविषयी असं बोट दाखवलं जातं. सो इवन दो वी आर नॉट स्पीकिंग, त्या लोकांना असं वाटते की मला सगळेजण बोट दाखवतात, बिकॉज ऑफ सोसायटी मेंटॅलिटी. आय थिंक वी नीड टू वर्क देअर. दॅट इज अ ग्रास रूट लेवल. आणि आपण नेहमी दुसऱ्यांवर ढकलतो, सोसायटी म्हणजे दुसरे कोणीतरी. But we never consider ourselves as a part of that society. We are also part of that society. Why can't we give that feeling to everyone? It will help to, or help these people to come out of this mentality. आणि मग ते एका पॉझिटिव्ह अप्रोचने येतील. मी जेव्हा या शाळांमध्ये काम करते, जिकडे अंडर प्रिव्हिलेज चिल्ड्रन आहेत, खूप छोट्या छोट्या घरांमध्ये राहतात, खूप सारे प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात त्यांना. But I have seen there are people who are uneducated, parents who are uneducated, but they are very supportive, very good. Their thought process is good. And I have seen people from the good families, the parents, they are very stubborn kind of a nature and they don't want to change themselves. So असंही होतं. I've seen both the sides. But again, so nothing to do with your education, but your value system, the kind of thought process that you come across with, understanding. You need to be very compassionate, calmly need to handle such kind of cases, people to deal with, understand, and then you react or respond. Don't react but respond. What you say, Surekha?
अगदी बरोबर सांगितलं दर्शना. Being compassionate, understanding the other person's viewpoint, and what I liked in what you said was a very important aspect of the victim is not responsible for what happened to them, and thus we need to show more than enough compassion to that victim to make them feel part of society and part of being accepted the way he or she is. To know more about what is abuse and to understand this in further detail, do keep watching all our videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.